Did you know that real estate agents can save up to 20 hours a week by leveraging AI-powered tools? That's equivalent to having an extra full-time assistant without the salary. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to harness the power of AI to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and stay ahead of the competition. Real estate agents are no strangers to time-consuming tasks, from listing and showing properties to managing client communications. But with the rise of AI, it's now possible to automate many of these tasks, freeing up time for high-leverage activities. In this video, we'll explore the top AI tools for real estate agents, how they work, and step-by-step instructions on how to use them. Let's start with lead generation. AI-powered chatbots can help you capture leads from your website, social media, and other online channels. For example, let's say you're using a chatbot on your website to capture leads. You can set up a conversational flow that asks potential clients about their interests,